In this video, we take you through the journey of growing tomatoes, from planting the seeds in nursery trays to harvesting those crunchy, juicy, and healthy fruits. We start by carefully sowing tomato seeds in well-prepared nursery trays, ensuring the right depth and spacing for optimal germination. After a few days, the seedlings emerge. It's also very important to choosing the right variety and our top-notch germination soil. Preparation: a perfect blend of chicken manure, wood dust, compost, and soil has helped our tomato plants to thrive. We also dive into the watering methods that have kept our tomatoes strong and healthy, ensuring steady growth and development. And we transplant them into sack grow bags, creating the perfect growing environment for each plant to thrive. Once transplanted into their new environment, the plants began to flower, and after successful pollination, it was time for our beautiful tomatoes to start developing. As we nurtured the plants through each growth phase, we watched them mature and form vibrant fruits, the direct result of planting and caring for healthy tomato plants. With consistent care, attention, and steady pruning, we reached our goal: delicious, ripe tomatoes ready for harvest. Every stage of this process is rewarding, and we hope you enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own fresh, crunchy tomato fruits right at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and farming inspiration.